DJI's smallest flying camera is getting a massive overhaul. Prototype leaks and insider reports point to a late 2026 launch for the brand new DJI Neo 3. And if these rumors are true, everything you know about pocket-sized vlogging drones is about to change. Let's start with the biggest complaint about previous models, the camera. Word on the street is that DJI is ditching the smaller half-an-inch sensor for a significantly larger one. What does that mean for you? Dramatically better low-light performance for sunset shoots and indoor content. Wider dynamic range to handle harsh lighting. Rumored support for 10-bit D-Log-M and enhanced HDR, giving creators professional color grading flexibility for social media shorts and reels. Flight performance is getting a welcome boost, too, thanks to improved motor efficiency and smarter power management. Leaked specs suggest the Neo 3 could squeeze up to 24 minutes of flight time out of a single battery. For an ultra-compact, palm-sized aircraft, that extra runtime is a game-changer. Safety is another massive focus. While older models relied mostly on basic forward and downward sensors, rumors point to a tri-directional obstacle sensing system, making autonomous tracking and indoor flying infinitely safer for beginners. And for connectivity, the Neo 3 is rumored to adopt DJI's 4+ video transmission technology, pushing the transmission range up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments, bringing pocket drones closer to pro-tier capabilities. Competition in the lightweight creator space is heating up, but DJI's robust software ecosystem still gives them a major edge. If the Neo 3 drops with these upgrades while keeping that beginner-friendly price tag, it could easily be the most popular entry-level drone of 2026. But what about you? What single upgrade would make you pull the trigger on the Neo 3? Let me know in the comments below, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.